In this video I'm going to show you something that every BMW owner should do. So this is cheap, quick, and it's going to make your life so much easier. It's only this thing here. If you ever got a flat on the BMW, any BMW, you know that it's a pain to put back the wheel and align everything. I'm gonna show you. So this is how a BMW hub looks like. And if you've been through this pain, you know how hard it is, not just to lift the tire, but then you gotta put it in there and you gotta align, and you need to be sure that everything is in place. But since this is my drift car, I do that a lot, and every time I do this, every time I put my hand in there, if it goes through, I might hurt my fingers and so on. So I would recommend use blue Loctite, but not any other color. But I don't know where my blue Loctite is, so I'm gonna use orange. There's one side there's a bunch of threads, a null point, and another side that doesn't have a lot of threads. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Loctite, line it right in there, and we just go and put in the hole. It's a 6mm hex. Tighten as much as you can, as much as you can. There you go. So I'm gonna use my fancy wrench just to see how close to 25 I got. Oh, I was around 9. Trick in here, I'm gonna put a bar right there. Oh wow, I'm impressed that this thing here didn't strip. One more. Nice. And that's it. We're done. Now it is way easier to just find where those holes are. And now I need 6 nuts. Those nuts, they are true nuts, which means the bolt goes through it. And I'm gonna put the link on the description. But after a few miles, you gotta come and tighten again the 25 foot-pound for the studs. So the only inconvenience for me is the front. I have spacers, so I need to buy different sizes, and it's a 17mm. Now those ones are 19mm. Look at that, different sizes, and they come out a little. If you find the right size and you get nuts that don't go through, you just need to be sure that it's going to be deep enough so your wheel is in place properly. I need to get another set for the front to work with my spacers. I do not remember how long those were, but I'm going to put on the description. So this is the size. If you're looking to buy this, this is what I was trying to find on videos. How do they look? And if we go to the front, they are inside. So I could have got little smaller, did not. It's totally on me. Hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe. Just if you are interested in videos on the BMW, this BMW has a 2JZ in it, and I just finished this. I cut the whole back of it. It has over fenders, as you see here, because it was crashed on the other side. I just made this here, painted that black, made this bash bar. There are 4 videos of me making all these brackets and all this stuff, so check it out. Don't forget to leave a little like button, a little comment if you have anything to say. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Later.